If your hips make styling hard, this video is your fix. I'll show you the best and worst styles, and at the end, the #1 skirt that changes your entire silhouette. Low-rise jeans, girl, they are literally your enemy. They sit right under your waist, exactly where your body is the widest, and they just widen you even more. Why are we doing that to ourselves? And the problem with low-rise jeans is that they erase your waist completely. And they also make your hips look bigger than they actually are, which honestly is exactly why sometimes you feel insecure in these kind of clothes. It's not you, it's those jeans. The next worst style are those boxy crop tops. Babe, those tops, they do you so wrong. They make your shoulders look smaller and your hips look even bigger. And the biggest problem here is that the whole top half of your body just disappears. There's no shape, there's no structure, there's no balance. And when or if you put this on, you're going to be like, why do I look so wide? Or why do I look so big? And not in a cute way. It's the tops, babe. It's those tops. It's not your body. Another horrible choice for your pear-shaped body are those stiff pencil skirts. I had to say it. Listen, pencil skirts in stiff fabric will absolutely betray you every single time. Basically, they're a no-go for you because they cling onto your hips like glue, and then they just narrow down. They narrow down towards your knees and just squeeze everything in. It's just not the look. They make the lower half look heavier. And that's exactly why you don't feel confident in them. Your pretty pear-shaped body needs movement, it needs softness, it needs flow, not a skirt that traps you in this kind of way. That's just all I'm saying. Another horrible choice for you, babe. The skinny jeans plus tight top combo. Oh my gosh, no. No. This one right here, I'm telling you, this is a trap. You think it's cute until you see the full-length mirror. And you're like, oh, I don't know about this one. So skinny jeans by themselves are fine, but paired with a tight top on your pretty shape, babe, we can find better. I promise you we can find so much better. And do you notice how it puts every ounce of attention on your lower half and absolutely nothing on your shoulders? That's why this outfit feels off, even if your body is absolutely gorgeous. And another horrible style for you, girl, are those short crop jackets. Those little crop jackets that stop at your ribcage right here, they are not your friend. They cut your body in half at the wrong place. And they make your hips look way wider. You need length or structure, not a baby jacket pretending to be outerwear. It's just not the best look. Oh, also, hi, I don't even think I introduced myself. How rude. By the way, I'm Karima. I'm a former top model, and on this channel, I help you dress for your body type and obviously feel confident in your clothes. And for your convenience, I also linked a few pear-friendly essentials below. So why not check them out after this video? And if you're enjoying this video so far, which I hope you are, please make sure to like, make sure to comment, and make sure to subscribe. And let me know in the comments what time of day you're watching this. I'm just curious to know. And obviously share this video with someone. Even if you share it with just yourself, it helps more than you realize. So now that we got the worst styles out of the way, and that I've introduced myself, let's talk about the fun part, the gorgeous part. Because the next pieces are going to make you feel like you are a brand new woman, okay? So let's get into the best styles for my pear-shaped babes. Starting with one of my personal favorites, of course, structured shoulder tops. Oh my God, babe. You need this because even a tiny bit of structure at the shoulders changes your entire silhouette. And I'm saying that for 3 specific reasons. 1, it balances your hips. 2, it opens up your upper body. And 3, it makes your waist look even smaller. And it really doesn't need to be dramatic, these kind of clothes on you. You just need a little shape up top to balance the shape that you already have at the bottom. Next up, we got high-waisted wide leg trousers. Now, these are absolute magic on you because high-waisted bottoms on you specifically pull everything up and they smooth everything down. And as pear-shaped women, you probably sometimes complain about the weird gap at the waist area, or maybe the fit just feeling off at the top. That's simply because your body is naturally smaller at the waist and fuller around the hips. So wide leg pants counter that beautifully on you because it gives you length, it gives you flow, and it gives you that perfect balance. Fit and flare dresses. Girl, when I tell you, this shape was made for you, and I mean it. Let me cook. The fitted top snatches your waist, the flare skims over your beautiful hips, and the whole silhouette on you specifically, girl, feels soft, it feels feminine, and just feels effortless. You will always, and I mean always, look put together in this. And I'm saying this even if you got dressed last minute, you will slay in these kind of looks. Up next, we got wrap tops and wrap dresses. Yes, I am giving you a 2-in-1 here. You're welcome. So a wrap anything is a win for your pretty body. And wrap tops, they create that beautiful V-neck shape, which, by the way, pulls everything visually to your waist. And it also opens up your upper body so that the hips feel balanced instead of feeling heavy. This is such an easy way to look polished without trying. So yeah. Okay, babe, so now we're getting into the moment you've been waiting for, I've been waiting for. Remember how at the beginning of the video, I told you that there's this one skirt that fixes all your proportions instantly? This is the one. An A-line skirt. A-line skirts are the complete opposite of those stiff pencil skirts we talked about earlier. So instead of grabbing your hips and exposing every curve in the worst way, they just float over them. They define your tiny waist. I mean, just look at this. What? And on top of that, they make your whole lower body look lifted and balanced. So if you've ever put on a skirt and thought, why do I look bigger in this? Let me tell you, it's probably because it wasn't an A-line skirt. This silhouette changes everything for pear-shaped women. And many fashion experts agree that it's one of the most flattering cuts ever created for your specific body type. Nobody rocks it like you do. Yes, you absolutely look amazing in many different outfits, but an A-line skirt will never betray you, I promise. I also made a full video on how to wear jeans with boots for every body type. And since you're a pear-shaped lady, you're going to love this video because it shows you exactly how to keep your proportions balanced. And of course, as a reminder, this video is also the start of my How to Style Your Body Type series. So make sure to subscribe because I have so many more videos coming on the worst and best styles for pear-shaped ladies, skirts, jeans, tops, and all the other styling secrets that make your body look amazing with zero effort. You absolutely don't want to miss that. And that's it, pretty lady. That is everything you need to start dressing your pear body shape with confidence. Anyways, click this video right here and I'll see you there.